Hi, Cameron here from Magnetic Trading. Today I want to go over yesterday's DAX report from the 15th of April to show you some of our simple and easy to understand trades that we put out every single day, but also give you some tips and tricks of how you can use the information on the report to profit from the markets on a day-to-day basis. So let's jump over to the screen now, look at the report and see what happened in the market. Okay, so here's a quick overview of the DAX report from yesterday. In the midterm, looking at the 1 to 2 week range, while the market's holding 10,100, I'm expecting higher pricing towards the 11,400 levels. In the short term, which was yesterday and really today, while we hold 10,600, expecting further upside in the market to 11,000. However, if we cannot hold above 10,600, expecting a quick move down to the 10,400 levels, where we're actually looking for a buy a little bit lower than that. So we have 3 system trades which we teach you about in the room and give them full training of, which are simple and easy to understand trades, which are simple entry stop target trades, that if the opening 5-minute bar was below 10,600, we were going to take a break. Fractal breaks can be taken later for more advanced traders, which we'll go over. And if we get a big spike in the market down to the 10,355 levels, we're going to buy that level with a simple stop of 110 points and 110 points target. But that level needs to be seen before 1 p.m. So that was the outline of the report pre the open yesterday. Let's go and have a look now at what happened in the market. Okay, so here is a chart of the DAX. It's a 5-minute chart, so each candle here represents 5 minutes of action. This is the opening candle in the market, where we wanted to see that if we could get a break below the 10,600 levels. If you remember, I said if the market stays above 10,600, then we're likely to move higher. If we get below, it's likely to move down to the 10,400 levels fairly quickly. So what our first system trade is for the room is to look for that break. We can see the low of this bar was 10,638, so we couldn't take a break of that bar down. Then we really had to wait, and as this is for a little bit more advanced traders, that if the market got below 10,600, then you can look to sell towards the 10,400 levels. So my tip for you today is one tip with that. If we get a closing candle below the 10,600 levels, you could simply take a break of that candle and put your stop above, or what we call a swing low. This is a swing low in the market. This is a swing high. You could perhaps take a break of this swing low and put your stops above here and follow the market down. We always recommend that you take half profits when you get 1-to-1. So if you risked 50 points or 100 points, as soon as you're into 50 or 100 points of profit, you're going to take half profits off. So the market duly moved down for the morning session in the market, and we can see that the 10,400 levels were hit just about 1:15 UK time. We did have a buy from lower in the market at the 10,355 levels, but that was only to be bought if we saw that level hit before 1 p.m. UK time, which we didn't. So it's moved down, it's gone through that level, and then on the report we had further buys, or we've been reporting further buys from the 1,150 levels, which are further down here, which overnight we've almost seen those levels, not quite, but we've certainly had a little bit of reaction. We may have missed the move there, but certainly some of our pro traders will have caught that in the Australian session for moves up higher. Because remember, as we're saying, the market is still positive in the midterm for the next 1 to 2 weeks, while the market remains above 10,100. If we get below there, we're going to turn negative in the midterm. So where we're at just now, the market's just about half an hour away from opening again. It's trading up at 10,350, and we'll be issuing another report out just now. So if you're already in our live trading room getting our reports, hopefully that's some helpful content for you in terms of how you can best use the reports. If you're not already in the room, please do join us at magnetictrading.com.